Kuhaan ng guhaan. This is the second level of the dormitory building. Second floor.
This portion is
This portion are all rooms
rooms.
for the students. And this portion here
Here is CR
this is the comfort room
room.
or the toilet. And the ongoing work now is they are putting up the
Installation of roping
or the installation of the roofs of this building
roping assembly.
or the roofing assembly. So we are going downstairs to show the
This is the stair.
ground floor
Now the stair.
with my tour guide, our foreman.
Oh. Stairs. Kapatid ko na ano. Oh. Ground floor.
This is the ground floor
CR.
CR,
Comfort
comfort room or the toilet. Waiting for
This is washing area.
the washing area.
This portion is comfort room. Comfort room. Then this is pathway. Hallway. This is the hallway. Going to the rooms.
How about the opening
The
here?
opening here is a dryer area. Drying area.
Drying area. This is the drying area.
Drying area.
We are heading to the one of the rooms in the ground floor. This is a big room
For the students.
for the students. Facing the old faculty house near the gate.
Then
Here's another room.
smaller.
Smaller room, but still a big room for the students.
Estimate capacity 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 2 pare
14.
14 ang pare 7 beds. Double ba?
Double deck.
Double deck. So 14.
So this will house 14 students with 7 double deck beds.
Accommodate 14 students, 7 double deck beds.
And there's another room outside on the left part of the building. The handsome worker. There the students preparing for their meal. There's another room near the old boys dorm. Madipay na itap. Okay lang, okay. Hayag man. big room, another big room.
So,
This is now the current
there are 3 rooms.
face of the building from the left end of the building.
Hallway area.
The hallway.
Light had been installed. Na-install na nalagay ito. May lights.
Ang electric okay na.
Ano pa nakita kami mo? Ang bagay na
Thank you, Angel. Ala, akti ko na dito eh. At no, adda idea. Baka no makuan siya, baasa man ni David. This is the view of the building from the gym.